You'll be amazed by my planting method. With just a 20-liter bucket, I can grow a lot of potatoes right at home, simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. This method makes great use of small spaces like balconies or rooftops, while still giving you a surprisingly high potato yield. Growing potatoes at home isn't difficult as long as you plan and care for them properly. Your plants will grow strong and produce big, firm, and high-yielding potatoes, even in small spaces at home. Hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more peaceful garden moments. To grow healthy seedlings, I choose potatoes with many eyes for propagation. Potatoes with more eyes produce more strong sprouts, helping the plants grow faster and yield better later on. Now I add water and mix in a little soda, then place the seed potatoes inside to soak. The sugar in the soda helps stimulate sprout growth and encourages stronger root development after propagation. After soaking for 2 hours, I take the potatoes out and wrap them carefully in newspaper. Wrapping the potatoes helps retain warmth and moisture, encouraging the sprouts to grow faster before planting. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. I use a 20-liter bucket and cut off the top to create space for adding soil and planting the seedlings. This provides more room for root growth, better airflow, and easier care throughout the plant's development. I use a hole punch tool to make holes around the bucket, allowing better airflow and drainage when adding soil for planting. This prevents waterlogging, keeps the soil healthy, and helps the roots grow stronger and the plant develop faster. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. I mix earthworm compost with the soil to make it more fertile and add natural nutrients for the plant. Worm compost is rich in beneficial microbes and minerals that help the plant grow strong, develop healthy roots, and stay lush and green. After a few days of sprouting, the seed potatoes have developed strong, healthy shoots. I'll now plant them in the 20-liter bucket filled with soil, giving the roots plenty of space to grow and absorb nutrients efficiently. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. After planting, I water the soil to keep it moist. This helps the plant sprout faster and grow stronger. Proper moisture allows the roots to settle easily and encourages healthy shoot growth. Now that the plant is rooted and is growing well, I gently loosen the top layer of soil to keep it airy and soft. This helps the roots breathe better, absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, allowing the plant to grow faster and stronger each day. Now, I'll add worm compost around the base of the plant to provide extra nutrients. Worm compost keeps the soil loose, rich in beneficial microbes and natural minerals, helping the plant grow strong, stay lush green, and produce bigger potatoes. It's amazing. After just 60 days, my potatoes have produced a large harvest, big, firm, and beautiful tubers. Seeing the results of my care truly makes me happy and proud. Every bit of effort has paid off perfectly. Now it's time to harvest the potatoes. The moment of pulling up big, firm, soil-covered potatoes with my own hands is truly satisfying, a well-deserved reward after all the days of care and effort. Don't leave without a like. It's the sunlight this garden needs to grow.